Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your GMC Acadia key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the hidden emergency key. This key is essential for the next step as it helps create the initial opening point. Keep it safe, as you'll need to reinsert it later. Now that the emergency key is out, look for a small notch or slot where the key was removed. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this opening. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small circular battery inside. Most GMC Acadia key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Pay attention to the positive and negative orientation before removing the old battery. Gently pop out the old one and insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's seated correctly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Test all the buttons to ensure your key fob is working perfectly again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.